Hi guys, I'm the Realtor Evan, back for another one tip in 1 minute for you sellers out there. Now, my advice to you today is don't just upgrade to upgrade. You want to consider whether you want to fix things or you want to upgrade them. Now, the reason that I say this is because if you spend $20,000 upgrading the kitchen, you might get a greater return. You might be able to sell that house for about $50,000 more than you would have before the upgrades. But if you upgrade a bedroom and spend $10,000 doing it, you might only get that $10,000 back. So is it really worth it? There's a lot of things that you can do around the house to just fix the house, like patching up walls, and we'll talk about that another time. But if you can fix something, fix it for sure, because that'll help a lot with the competition. But only upgrade it if you think you're gonna have a return coming back to you and you're gonna be able to get that return. So if you spend 20, get 50. If you spend 50, get 100. Hope that helps. Hope to see you next time. I'm the Realtor Evan. Have a good day.